Santa Ana Park dito sa Naik, Cavite, bida sa karera.
On the way for a Abantero draws for your Pacific Warrior. Moving up in between runners is entry number 4, Portrait of My Love. Seahawk racing now in second. Then by the rail, Port Yona. Maximum Velocity running second last, while Papa Joe is in behind them, heading towards the half mile pole. Portrait of My Love maintaining a 3 lengths lead over entry number 3, and that is Pacific Warrior. Yona by the rail, then moving up now is Maximum Velocity. For Abantero also closing in on the outside, then followed by Seahawk as they race at the final corner. Pacific Warrior takes command. Abantero about to throw the challenge on the outside. Portrait of My Love trying to fight back by the rail, then Seahawk, Maximum Velocity, and down the stretch they come with Pacific Warrior leading the field. Abantero is on the outside. Pacific Warrior by about 3 lengths now. Running in second is Abantero, Maximum Velocity, Papa Joe, and finally Pacific Warrior. Abantero, Maximum Velocity, Papa Joe, Yona. Then comes Portrait of My Love and Seahawk.